Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to use this vegetable slicer. So let's see what we can cut with this slicer. Vegetable slicer was very affordable. It has two pieces. It has the main part with a handle and also a small flap. The U shape on the back helps to remove the flap safely. The small hole in the handle allows you to hang your slicer. The two openings on each side prevents the slicer from sliding by, placing them on the rim of a bowl. Here I have my bowl of vegetables that were pre-washed. First, I'm going to start with my carrots using a sliding motion back and forth. When I use the slicer with the flap, I get thin slices. So now let's remove the flap and see what we're going to get. With the flap off my slicer, I'm going to use quicker motions since my carrot is a hard vegetable. So as you can see, my slices are thicker. So now I'm going to show you the difference between the two. One is thin, which is with the flap on, and one is thick without the flap on. This is my celery stick with the flap on. And without the flap on. Moving on to the onion, I'm going to slice half of my onion with the flap on. It gives me thin and even slices. Now I'm going to slice the other half without the flap. As you can see, one slice is thinner than the other. Once I'm done slicing my vegetables, I like to place them separately into tightly sealed Ziploc bags. Once I'm done, I usually store my vegetable in the freezer so that I can use them during the week whenever I'm cooking. This saves me a lot of time whenever I have to cook since my vegetables are pre-cut. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye!